The plastic pad is the backing pad for your disc sander sanding discs. The hard pad supports the sanding disc while you sand. Over time, the disc will wear and will need to be replaced. If excessive pressure is applied to the pad while sanding, the pad will heat up and wear faster. Replacing the plastic pad is simple to do, and I'll show you how. I'll begin by removing the sanding pad from the sander. I'll use a hex wrench to remove the center bolt. And then the pad just simply pulls away from the sander. Now install the new pad. I align the pad with the spindle so it locks into place. Then I'll replace the sanding pad, the flange, and I'll secure it all with the screw. And that's how simple it is to replace the plastic pad on your disc sander.